I am the voice of the storm, where truth is born. Thunder in my chest and fire in my form. Fearless in the dark, where the brave transform. This is Darkrain rising reborn. I walk with the wind.
In America, you can go to prison if even you've done nothing wrong. There are two types of prisons in America. One has bars and the other time cards. One actually breaks your bones and the other erases your soul. Today, we're going to talk about both. This is the worst of the storm. My name, Darkrain McBlack, and I'm not here tonight to entertain you, to soothe you, but to talk about the things that will make you uncomfortable, the things that most people don't want to talk about. Prison in America. Yes, prison in America. Not the one you see on TV, the real one. What it was meant to be and what it has become. Somewhere along the way, rehabilitation died quietly and punishment took its place. I don't know if you will agree with me, but prisons were never meant to destroy people. They were meant to protect society and rebuild lives. 3 goals once guided incarceration: stop the harm, discourage crime, and restore human beings. But today, only one remains: containment. We no longer ask, who can this person become, or what can we do to help this person? Instead, we ask, how long can we put them behind bars? How long can we put them in prison? How long can we keep them? Education became optional, healing became rare, and growth became invisible. Punishment became policy, and profit became king. Michelle Alexander called it the new Jim Crow. That is a system that traps you, grinds you, and sends you back into society and dares you to survive. So ask yourself, is a system correcting behavior or quietly creating more damage? Now, walk with me to the prisons. Not a building, but an experience. Overcrowded cells, 3 humans in the space of 1. No privacy, no dignity, and no peace. Violence becomes a language and fear becomes currency. And hope slowly forgets your name. There are no tools for transformation, no schooling for tomorrow, and no therapy for yesterday. Just noise, just tension, just survival. And survival mode does not produce good citizens. Survival mode produces wounded citizens. And one hard truth is that prison does not only take your freedom, it rewinds your brain. Yes, you become hyper-vigilant. Emotional shutdown. You have emotional shutdown. And then aggression becomes an instinct. Aggression becomes an instinct. Anxiety is so constant, it becomes normal. Depression so deep, it feels permanent. Anger replaces vulnerability. By the time a person walks out, they are no longer what they were. But society expects them to heal instantly. But trauma does not obey release dates. It's so sad, isn't it? But there's hope. I know there's hope. Now let me show you something different. Let me take you to Norway, where prison is like, it looks like the neighborhood. You know what I mean? No cages. Prison looks like the neighborhood and there are no cages. Where inmates learn trades. They study and they heal. Where guards are mentors, they are not muscle. They are mentors, not muscle. Where dignity is enforced, not strict. And the result? One of the lowest return to prison rates in the whole wide world. They don't release inmates. No, they don't release inmates. They release human beings. They release human beings. Now ask yourself, Is America not able to build such system, or just unwilling? The irony, in America, when the bars open and prisoners come out of the gate, the sentence begins. No job, no housing, no vote, no loans, and no licenses. We all know that job or working is how people build or rebuild dignity, routine, and purpose. But a felony record turns job applications into nightmares, quiet rejections. You are judged by your worst moment and not your best effort. Without income, survival is a daily emergency. Without work, reform becomes a promise with no foundation. A person released without a home isn't free. They are displaced. Anybody that is released without a home is displaced. Public housing bans them. Private landlords refuse them. Shelters are overflowing, and so they cannot have a place to stay. Stability becomes luxury. And when you can't rest, can't store clothes, and can't feel safe, when you don't feel safe, dreaming of a future becomes impossible. Now, you're out of prison. Yes, you're out of prison. You're on the streets, but you can't vote. You walk the streets, but your voice remains behind bars. Yes, you walk the streets, but still your voice remains behind bars. Laws still govern your life, but you no longer have any power to help shape the laws that govern your life. Your citizenship is completely reduced to paperwork without power. Democracy becomes selective. Exactly where guidance is needed most, representation disappears. Tell me, which bank is going to give you a loan when you are branded, when you are poor, when you just came out from prison, you don't have any job? You are branded and they fear you. So no bank is going to give you a loan. You don't have any credit. No credit means no business. No business means no growth. No growth means no escape. The same system that traps you also denies you the ladder out. You may have certificates, but it's going to be hard for them to work just because you're branded. You know what I mean? You just came out from prison. Nobody wants to hire you. You could be a nurse, nursing certificates, cosmetology, security work, real estate, transportation. You may study, you may train, you may graduate, but the law still says no. Your ambition is halted by policies written before redemption is allowed. And the truth behind these 5 walls is this. This is not rehabilitation. It is administrative exile. This is no rehabilitation. It is administrative exile. You may have left the cell or the prison. You may leave the cell, but the system builds invisible walls around you. Everything says you're free, but society whispers, not here. The system makes survival illegal and then punishes you for failing. And when you return, they call it recidivism. But it isn't. It's a design. The real truth nobody wants to talk about. America doesn't just run prisons. It sells them. Yes, it sells the prison. That's business. Beds are profit. Bodies are revenue. Private corporations. Occupancy contracts. Political donations. Empty cells are considered failure. And full prison considered success. So tell me, what happens if or when incarceration becomes business or profit? When incarceration becomes business, what happens? Freedom becomes bad for profit. Justice becomes negotiable. And humans, you and I, become inventory. So I ask, What kind of man should society produce? A healed man or a hardened one? A restored citizen or a ticking wound? A restored citizen or a ticking wound? Because broken people do not build peace. They build pain. Pain and pain. But there is hope. Yes. There is a way to stand against the system. Not with violence, not with anger, but with awareness. By listening to that inner moral voice, the one that warns you, the one that corrects you, and the one that protects you. Stay away from trouble, not because you're weak, not because you're stupid, not because you're insane. But think about it. If this system is not kind to the innocent, what do you think it's going to do to you when you are guilty? Your guess is as good as mine. In a world where policy sometimes wears the face of justice, even the blameless can be locked behind bars. And as an old African proverb reminds us, when the hunter aims at a bird, the wise one finds another tree. Survival is not cowardice, it is intelligence. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is not to fight, but to move away and leave. This is Words of the Storm, and tonight the storm did not whisper, it spoke. Punishment without healing is not justice, it is slow destruction. Until next time, stay awake, stay dangerous by speaking the truth. You know, when you speak the truth, people who thrive on lies don't like you. You become so dangerous for them. Yes, it's good to be dangerous with the truth. Let the truth be your weapon and let the truth live. I am Darkrain McBlack, rising, reborn.
Distraught pages of my saga like the midnight sky. Books become torches that the blind walk by. Philosophy dances where the echoes cry. I am truth with wings, I refuse to die. I am the voice of the storm, where truth is born. Thunder in my chest and fire in my phone. Fearless in the dark, where the brave transform. This is Darkrain rising, reborn. Let the liars tremble when my words ignite. Let the voices rise when they hear my light. Art is my weapon, spirit is my fight. I turn pain to flame in the heart of the night. I am the storm.